Today I want to talk to you about the ArmorAll HD dashboard camera. This is the one that I've had in my car for a little while now, and I did the hardwire on it. You can get this on Amazon right now for about $20. The only big thing I don't like about this camera is the nighttime sucks, and the mount is terrible for Arizona. So let me take you over to the car and show you what it looks like installed and what I used to mount it. So here it is, completely installed. It's hardwired in. And that's how I'm mounting it. It's a handlebar mount for a GoPro, but it works perfectly. Especially being here in Arizona where the stick mounts will keep falling off. It's nice and tucked up and out of the way. So here's the dashboard camera. It's got the speaker, the mini USB spot. That's where it mounts up. Supposedly this is for the LED for the nighttime. I don't know if mine are just broken, but the nighttime just is terrible. And I'll show you guys footage of that in a little bit. The mini display, you're able to mess with all the settings. And it takes a microSD card. Now as you can see here, here's the footage from the dash cam during the day. The quality isn't the best, but it does its purposes for a $20 camera. Now the great thing about it is you can just leave it there and forget about it. It doesn't really affect with your driving. It's nice and tucked up out of the way. And it makes it really nice for that kind of an aspect. Granted, you're not going to get the best quality for having such a cheap camera. But for the purposes of just having it to protect yourself, this is amazing. And you're always going to want to get a decent micro SD card in there. I'll have links in the description to show you what I'm using for this setup. Here you can see the nighttime footage, and as you can tell, it is super dark. The LEDs on mine either aren't working or they're not that great. This is the one thing that I would change about it. If you're going to be driving during the day only, this camera is perfect. But if you're going to be driving at night, you might want to think about other options. Overall, this camera is really nice for what it is. I mean, you do get what you pay for. I mean, I would recommend it to a variety of people just to have it in your car and it not break your bank.